Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to always see your life bar above your head in Path of Exile 2. In order to do so, first off, here we are in Path of Exile 2, and what you can do is you can either press O on your keyboard or you can come down to these three bars, open this up and select Options, and then from here we want to go to Interface, and if you scroll about halfway down, you're going to see here where it says show mini life bar above you under gameplay. We want to make sure that is selected, and then you can save it. And once you do, then you should be able to see your life bar above your head. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.